Let's go to B. Number 10. Let g of x equals negative 3f of 1 half x minus 1 plus 5. The point A 3, 2 on the graph of f of x is transformed to the point A prime on the graph of G. Find the coordinate of A prime. This is the rule. The point xy on f of x will be changed into x over b minus h, ay plus k on g of x equals af bx plus h plus k. So first of all, you need to change this g of x into transformation form like this. We have g of x equals negative 3f bracket, we take 1 half outside. Then you have x, 1 divided by 1 half will be 2. Then plus 5. We will figure out this is A, this is B, this is H, here is K. So for x over B minus H equals x over 1 over 2 plus 2 equals 2x plus 2. For ay plus k equals negative 3y plus 5. We know the x equals 3, y equals 2. We plug in here. 2 times 3 plus 2 equals 8. This negative 3 times 2 plus 5 equals negative 1. So the coordinate for A prime will be 8, negative 1. For number 12, let g of x equals negative 1 over 3 f of negative 2x plus 4 minus 5. The point A prime 3, 2 on the transformed graph of g of x from f of x. Find the coordinate of A on the f of x. We know this is the rule for the transformation. G of x, we need to change into transformation form, negative 1 over 3 f. Take negative 2 outside, x minus 2. Then minus 5. This is A. This is B. This is H. Here is K. X over B minus H equals x over negative 2 plus 2 equals negative 1 over 2x plus 2. For ay plus k, we will get negative 1 over 3y minus 5. According to the given information, this one is on the transformed graph of g of x. So we will set up. This is 3. This is 2. Then you need to solve these two equations. Let's solve x first. Cross the river, change sign. You will get negative 1 over 2x equals 1. Then you multiply by negative 2 both sides. X equals negative 2. For y, cross the river, change sign. Negative 1 over 3y equals 7. Then multiply by negative 3 both sides, y equals negative 21. So the coordinate of A will be negative 2, negative 21. Write down the new function after the transformation. F of x equals 1 over x, whose graph reflects in the y-axis, followed by a translation through negative 1, 4. The new function g of x equals. We will write down transformational form. G of x equals a times f of b x plus h plus k form. Reflect in the y-axis. Here is x, this is a negative x, which means this transformation is related to this x. So we will write down g of x equals f of negative, then parentheses. Negative 1, 4 is a vector. Negative 1 means translate to the left. So x plus 1 plus 4. Remember, insider is a liar. We will plug f of negative sign x plus 1 plus 4 into this function. We will get 1 over negative sign x plus 1, then plus 4. 14. F of x equals e to the x minus 3's power, whose graph reflects in the x-axis, followed by a translation through 3, negative 1. The new function will be in the x-axis, y, this is a negative y. You could see this reflection is related to y. That means this a. So g of x equals negative f of translate to the right, x minus 3, then minus 1. Since the f of x equals e to the x minus 3's power, we plug this in. Negative sign e to the x minus 3, then minus 3, minus 1. Simplify negative e to the x minus 6 power, then minus 1. F of x minus 3 means every single x will change into x minus 3. So we get e to the x minus 3, then minus 3, e to the x minus 6th power. Look at the 15. F of x equals square root x minus 1 plus 2, whose graph has a vertical stretch with a scale factor of 3. Vertical stretch means this transformation is related to y, which means this a. By a translation through negative 2, negative 5. Negative 2 translate to the left. Negative 5 translate down. We will write down general form first. G of x equals 3 times f of x plus 2. Insider is liar, then minus 5. F of x plus 2. every single x in this function will change into x plus 2. 3 square root x plus 2 minus 1, then plus 2 minus 5. Simplify 3 times square root x plus 1 plus 2 minus 5 equals 3 square root x plus 1 plus 6 minus 5. 3 square root x plus 1 plus 1. So g of x equals 3 square root x plus 1 plus 1. 16. F of x equals cubic root of x whose graph has a horizontal stretch with a scale factor 2 followed by translation through 3 negative 6, the new function g of x. Let's write down the general form. So f of insider is liar 1 over 2. X minus 3 minus 6. Every single x we will change into 1/2 for x minus 3. So we get cubic root of 1 over 2 x minus 3, then minus 6. Therefore, the new function g of x equals cubic root of 1/2 times x minus 3 minus 6.